Hey there, welcome to TEF's virtual English lessons. Today we are tackling some words even native speakers mix up sometimes. Let's clear the confusion. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with these three tricky words: sometime, and sometimes. Sometime, written as one word, means at an unspecified time in the future or past. You could say, let's meet for coffee sometime next week. Or, I watched that movie sometime last year. Sometime, written as two separate words, refers to a period of time. It took me some time to finish the project. After thinking for some time, he made the final decision. Sometimes, one word, means occasionally or now and then. Sometimes I go for a walk after dinner. Sometimes learning a new language can be challenging. Next up, especially and specially. Especially is used to highlight something above all others. You could say, I love desserts, especially chocolate cake. Or, the weather was nice, especially in the evenings. Specially means for a particular purpose. For example, this cake was specially made for your birthday. Or, he dressed specially for the occasion. Moving on, farther and further. These are often used interchangeably, but there are a subtle difference. Farther refers to physical distance. How much farther is the next gas station? Or, we walked farther than we had planned. Further refers to metaphorical or figurative distance. You could say, we need to discuss this further tomorrow. Or, if you need further information, please contact me. Now let's clear up beside and besides. Beside means next to or at the side of. She sat beside me at the theater. Or, there's a small table beside the bed. Besides means in addition to or apart from. You can use this word when adding information or making an exception. Besides English and Spanish, I speak French. I'm not hungry now. Besides, I just ate an hour ago. By the way, if you find this lesson useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will never miss a new lesson with TEF. The next pair of words, older and elder. Older is used for the general comparison of age. My brother is older than me. My house is older than yours. Elder is used for family relationships, often implying respect. My elder sister is a doctor. He always respects his elder family members. Alright, it's time for a quick recap. Do you want to test how much you learned? Let's try this exercise. You did great! I hope this video helped clear things up. I will definitely see you again with another lesson. Bye for now!